Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to a park. This is wathba park. This is a very big and beautiful park. You guys can see. It's very beautiful. There are so many flowers here and there. They look very beautiful and pretty. This is very nice. There are so many different big and small plants here and there. You guys can see. In this park, if you guys can do barbecue and all. For that there is different stuff. Now let's go into the video and see it. It is night time now. We came early, but it was night time before we started the picnic. So now we are going to go the scooters. Picnic. So now let's go into the video and see the picnic. There are two types of park. One is ladies park and one is family park. We are going to go to the family park. Let's go. This is 10 gram per ticket. You guys can see, you guys can watch a movie and all. And there's also a fun center here, so you can play. It's so fun. So we are going to go and play. Here aside there is these flowers and there's the place where you guys can sit and take photos. So we are going to take some photos. This is a shop. You can buy candy and all from here. So small shop. Now we are going to go inside and play. Now we are going to go and play. After playing, now we are going to go to the park, the family park. The outside of the park. Now we are going to go to the inside of the park. One side ladies park and one side family park. We are now on the ladies park. We are going to go to the family park. Now we are going to go inside. But it goes like this, so you can go and spin around and come. I did a full spin. I think you can take photos and all, so nice. In the park there is also drinking water, you guys can see. You can take water from there and drink it. It's nice water. Let's go. There's a sign here. Now we are going to go inside. Near that's the restroom. Friend, it has washroom and drinking water facilities. And a playground. Big playground. So now we are going to go to our picnic spot. There are benches here and there for picnic, like big huts. Before I came here on my school field trip and I saw this, it was very nice. We came here morning and this is night time. I did not know there were lights inside. So we can go and sit inside and we can eat like that. So nice. Now we are going to go and play. Inside you guys can see the light is very nice. It's not very bright and all. Super nice. Not that bright. So you can see whatever. Now we are going to go inside and play. You guys can see. This was a cool ride where you can, it's like a big slide. You have to go inside and sit and it'll take you down. It's very nice. Go down. This is a very big slide that I went to. It was very fun. We're going to play. It's so fun. So this is food we are going to be eating. It's very nice. This is dinner. You guys can see it's very nice. You have prota, chicken. It's very nice. They have two type of fried chicken. One is we also fried chicken by using the barbecue stoves which are here and there, and that's very nice. You guys can see. So this is what we got. One plate. Go. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye! Who are subscribed to my channel, thanks for your support. Who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel.